Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial video for Full Scope Freelancer. In today's video, I want to show you how to create logic within your surveys so that people can bounce back and forth between different sections of a survey based on their answers to previous questions. This way you can have one catch-all survey for a lot of different people instead of having different surveys for each use case, because some of the questions don't apply to certain customers and others do, et cetera, et cetera. So the example I have for you today is a new lead survey. So let's say you have a business and that business is offering 3 different types of services. So when people come to your business, they want to contact you, you have them fill out this form, you grab their contact info first, and then of course you want to find out, hey, which service are they interested in? And then perhaps, considering how differentiated these services might be, you want to have them then answer different follow-up questions based on the service that they are interested in. So in this case, I have 3 different examples, service 1, 2, and 3. And then I have 3 further pages for my survey, service 1, service 2, and service 3. And then on these different pages, I could, of course, add different questions to this survey based on, again, this particular service, what I need to know to provide that customer with that particular service, et cetera, et cetera. I'm sure you can imagine some good examples for using this in your own business as well. So what does the survey need to do? Well, that means the survey, based on this question, needs to bring people to the right follow-up questions. And to do that, all we need to do is come in here. We're going to go to content. So actually, if you just click on this particular question, this multi-answer question that has the drop-down field, you're going to see right here at the bottom, we have logic already waiting for us. And right here, you can see it's taken those 3 options we've added, service 1, 2, 3, and it's prompting us if we want, we don't have to, but if we want, we can tell it, hey, if the person answers service 1, then I want to send them to a particular next page on the survey. In this case, obviously, I'm going to go to service 1. I named that page service 1 just for that. And then service 2, I'm going to attach to service 2, and so on and so forth with service 3. So now if someone picks service 1, they're going to go to this page titled service 1. If they pick service 2, they're going to go to service 2, and of course 3 with 3. And then after that, so let's say they go to page, this service 1 page. Well, if they answer the questions on service 1, then I don't want them to then, as their next step, go to service 2 page, because that's the service they were not interested in, right? So I want them to skip ahead now to the end. And I've got just at the end, I have one final slide where they can do a little quick CAPTCHA and agree to some terms before submitting. So all of these need to skip ahead to the final slide once people have answered these questions. And to do that, I just need to go to the 3 dots and go to settings here. And then here you can see jump to. By default, this will always be just the next slide. We assume for most surveys, people are going to go from slide 1 to 2 to 3 all the way till the end. But in this case, I've built some logic in, so I want to change this. Now, once people answer the questions on this page, I want them to jump to slide 6 all the way at the end. And the same thing for service 2. Got to come here to settings, send them to slide 6. And technically, after the service 3 slide is the final slide, but I'll go ahead and set that up anyway. So now if I save all of this and then hit preview, then we can see this in action. So let's hit preview. It's going to load up my survey. I'm just going to add some pretend information here. I didn't make the phone number required, so I can skip that. Now next, so we've got the first question, what service are you interested in? I'm going to choose service 2. And boom, as you can see, it sent us to the page titled service 2. Here, obviously, if this were a real survey, I would obviously put some questions and some information related to that service here. And then, assuming everything is good, when they click next, they jump ahead to the final slide. And now they can do this quick CAPTCHA, agree to some terms, and click submit. So this is how you can create one master survey that serves multiple clients without bogging them down with a bunch of questions that they potentially have to skip because they simply don't apply to them. And this is how the survey logic works. If you have any further questions, just reach out to our team. We'll be happy to help you through the support portal, and we will see you in the next tutorial video.